Making money online in 2024 and up, what do you really need to implement in your business, in all your actions? Well, I'm going to share that with you. So stick to me. I am also just a mom who has an online business. I have an appointment. I came from the gym, so I'm going to combine this. But this is what I hear a lot of people. They ask me, right, Muriel, how do I know who to trust, where to start? I don't know who is real anymore with the AI technology, which is actually a very cool technology, right? AI is helping us to, to build businesses and to create better results, to do the work for you when you're not online. But the thing is now, if you want to build a business online, and you need to make sales, where does the money come from? Think about this. The money comes from clients, from people. It comes from the wallets of people. So people should be able to trust you, right? Now, how can people trust you in these days, these times of AI, where AI is everywhere, where you don't know? I have the same. You don't know who is real, and you don't know who is a robot and who is a creation of AI. Sometimes I have a hard time seeing the difference myself. Now, I'm an advanced marketer, so I kind of can, look through it. But I believe that when you want to be successful with your online business today, you really need to be human. You need to create videos. You need to go live. You need to just share value in this combination, right? And do not strive to be perfect. And the thing with AI is that it is making it possible to create a perfect avatar. And a lot of people now think, and some are succeeding with this, but they're very advanced marketers, if you ask me. They think that, well, by creating a very perfect avatar personality, that more people are gonna buy from them. But I believe it's the opposite. I believe people are needing proof that you are a real person. If you want to sell stuff, if you're an affiliate marketer, if you sell your own products whatsoever, be a real person. Show up, share value, answer questions, be available. Be available at least one time per week live for your audience to listen to you, to ask you questions in your own niche, of course, right? So what do you think? In your own niche. So, if you are a yoga teacher, for example, and you want more clients and you're building your business online that way and you have your own products, you should go online on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, at least 2 platforms. This is by the way, it's super warm here. It's a very high humidity in Costa Rica, and I'm working in my outdoor office. Well, I'm gonna show you later. Stick to the end. I'm gonna show you my view. So yeah, you should, as a yoga teacher, wants to build their exposure online, be present online, serve videos, content videos about yoga. Where does yoga come from? Yoga exercises, which exercise is good for what, and get out there, attract strangers, and that makes you human. So if you are creating a course about yoga, this is, by the way, one of the coolest things to make money with. Even if you have brick and mortar expertise, you can make money online by creating your own courses, like the 10 steps to a fit yoga body, and create videos where you show what people can do in order to get that fit yoga body. You can sell that course unlimited amount of times per day, while you are not able to have an unlimited amount of students per day in your studio, right? So this is just the golden nugget in between. But dear people, for making money online 2020 and up, you need to show up as a real person. You cannot walk away with your AI creations. Perhaps it is a benefit of using ChatGPT. Oh, my appointment is already there. Look, yeah, I have a Zoom. I don't know if you see it. Yeah, there's my Zoom is open. I'm an online coach as well, and I just do my thing. But being real is the reason why most clients become my client, because I show up just as a human. I hope that you learned something from this video. Show up as a human. Let me see your videos soon. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Right, I was promising you to show you what I was seeing. Ta-da! My office with the view. See you soon.